ये एक ऐसा एहसास था जो इसने पहले कभी महसूस नहीं किया था।
It was a sensation he had never felt before. It was a sensation he had never felt before.
मेरा अंदाजा है कि आपको कभी ये ख्याल नहीं आया कि लोगों को चोट पहुंच सकती है।
I guess it has never occurred to you that people get hurt. I guess it has never occurred to you that people get hurt.
हादसे ने उसकी यादें मिटा दी थी।
The accident had erased his memories. The accident had erased his memories.
मैं सवाल का मतलब समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
I am trying to understand the meaning of the question. I am trying to understand the meaning of the question.
मुझे लगता है कि आप इस केस में बहुत ज्यादा मुलव्वस हो रहे हैं।
I think you are getting too involved in the case. I think you are getting too involved in the case.
शायद इन्हें दोबारा इम्तिहानात देने की तरगीब दें।
Maybe motivate them to redo the exams. Maybe motivate them to redo the exams.
जो कुछ हुआ इसके बारे में मेरे खानदान को जरा परवाह नहीं थी।
My family couldn't care less about what happened. My family couldn't care less about what happened.
मैंने अपने बॉस को इस मसले की निशानदेही की।
I pointed out the issue to my boss. I pointed out the issue to my boss.
फिलहाल ये मसला नहीं है।
That is currently not the problem. That is currently not the problem.
इन्होंने खौफ से एक दूसरे को पकड़े रखा।
They kept holding each other in fear. They kept holding each other in fear.